don't just talk, we show proof, we show numbers. Numbers don't lie.
What I say about my grandson Michael, he's gonna be successful because he has that goal that what he wanna be. And he's gonna make it someday because he is a kid that he's gonna be rich. And it's gonna happen, but you have to be patient because as they say, you can't build something right away like that. It takes time, but he is gonna be successful someday because he has that motivation.
Barbershop with the little man. I got my little man behind the lens, y'all can see. We're about to go back to the crib in a second, but we just stepped outside to get a fresh haircut. I'm rough. You can see I'm looking rough, right? I can't be out here looking rough, you know what I'm saying? Hey, check out the sneaks, you know what I'm saying? Check out the sneaks. So we rocking with today. But I'm waiting on my barber right now. He just opened up a new spot, which is pretty cool. But long story short, back to business. You know, we still taking on clients. 120 challenge. So if you haven't, participated in 120 challenge and you want to get your bag up this year, click the link in the, description below, and we'll get you tapped in, ASAP. But we don't just talk. We show proof. We show numbers. Numbers don't lie. Hey guys, the 120 rings are in. People keep asking me, do they actually get a 120 ring? Yes, you get a 120 ring. It's custom, as you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's custom. Just for participating in the 120 challenge, taking $3,000 to $100,000. All right, you get your own custom 120 ring. And guess what? We are now at $800,000. So within 20 seconds, I'm about to show you guys $800,000. Check this out. Mentioned before, I'm a man of my word, and I want to show you guys these accounts that I'm showing you guys. This is not demo. These are live funded $100,000 accounts, and we're gonna take this thing from the top. Y'all ready? So this is the first account. I want you guys to peep. All right, the account number. Okay, so I'm gonna blur out the name. All right, we just want to show the live and the account number. All right, you guys see that? That's account number 1. Keep track. Account number 2. All right, I want you guys to see that it says funded and it says live. Everything else is blurred out so you don't see the information. As you guys can see, this is a different account number and it's live. Boom. All right, keep this thing going. Third account. All right, as you can see, account number is different. Live funded. Fourth account. Boom. Account number different. Live funded. All right, you guys see this, right? You're seeing this live. Account number different. Live funded. Keep this thing going. We ain't stopping. Account number different. Live funded. Telling you guys, we know. It's not a game. And then it's the last one. I'm gonna stop here. All right, I just want to show you guys $100,000 account live funded, meaning that these guys can withdraw anytime they want to. Okay, so this could be you.